finally found a baby doctor, Dr. Jenkins. So we're here and we're having a checkup. Everything was fine at the complete ultrasound, second trimester that we had at Northwestern September 15th, but we do need regular prenatal care. So we are here at St. Mary's and having our first appointment. I'll let you guys know how it goes. So just an interesting question, you guys. Following my very first appointment here, I want to ask you, in the absence of money, if money were not a factor at all whatsoever, if every single person living on the earth had $100,000 in their bank account right now, would all of you be good parents, fit parents? If money were not a factor, so if you were broke and poor and had nothing, can you provide love? Would you be a good parent? All the rich parents, if we took away your money, would you be able to provide love? Would you be able to nourish a child? Having money should not be the deciding factor of how good of a parent you can be or are. Unfortunately, it has been for way too many years.
Etsy has